Welcome to ClubExpress. We make it easy to create, manage, and sustain your club or association. In this demo, learn how to use ClubExpress to take attendance for your volunteering opportunities and track volunteering hours. Let's get started. To take volunteering attendance, go to the Control panel. Under the People tab, choose the volunteering option from the Website Modules section. When you find the volunteer opportunity that you want to take attendance for, choose the calendar icon from the Maintain column. If volunteers sign up for a slot, you'll see an extra attendance icon. Choose that icon to mark attendance. Choose the checkbox to mark the volunteer as attended. If you need to adjust the hours that they worked, if they work longer or shorter hours, update them from the Hours Worked column. If you're taking attendance for your volunteering opportunities, you can also track the hours your volunteers worked. It's easy to set your account to track volunteering hours. Return to the Volunteering Administration page, then choose the Configure button and choose Options from the drop-down menu. Choose Yes to track volunteer hours, and then enter the number of hours that the individuals will work to meet each year. Choose Save when you're done. Once volunteering hours are being tracked in your account, our system will automatically tally the hours your volunteers worked. It's easy to see individuals' hours or pull a volunteer hours report from your account. To view an individual's hours, navigate to their member profile and look for volunteering under their histories. To pull a report, go to the Volunteering Administration page from the Control panel and choose the Reports button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.